Hello everyone, this is Professor M.S. Koite, Assistant Professor of Department of Agricultural Entomology, Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nashik. Our today's topic is Pest of Okra under the course number N2243 and course title is Pest of Horticultural Crops and Their Management. So these are the different major as well as minor pests of the okra. So the major one are shoot and fruit borer, then leaf hopper of okra, then aphids, whitefly, then fruit borer. These are the major one, and the minor pest that is leaf roller, red spider mite, flea beetle, and leaf miner or Liriomyza. These are the major as well as minor pest of the okra. So first one is okra shoot and fruit borer. The scientific name of this pest is Aedes vitella, and the second species is that is Aedes insulana. So these are the two species of okra shoot and fruit borer. Both species belongs to family Acridiidae and order is Lepidoptera. Hence the damaging stage is always larva or caterpillar. Then host plant. Host plant are the cotton, okra, ambadi and several other malvaceous plants. The oviposition on a tender shoots, flower buds and young fruits. And pupation takes place in the tough silken cocoons either on a plant or in a soil or also or among the fallen leaves. Then nature of damage. As we know, the damaging stage is larva or caterpillars. So the caterpillars bore into the tender shoots, flower buds and also the fruits. As a result, the shoot dry, flower buds and fruits drop prematurely, and fruits remaining on the plants get deformed and often show exit holes of the larva. So in second image we can see the exit hole on the fruits. These are the exit hole of larva, and in first image you can see the larva feeding inside the shoot. Then next point is management practices. So firstly, removal and destruction of infested shoots as well as fruits and shade material helps in reducing the intensity of infestation. Then set up the pheromone trap at the rate of 12 per hectare. Then in case of biological control, release of egg parasitoid that is Trichogramma chelonis at the rate of 1 lakh per hectare. Then also we can spray with the Bacillus thuringiensis at the rate of 2 gram per liter, and in chemical control we can spray with the Neem seed extract as well as azadirachtin 5%, or also we can use the insecticide like imamectin benzoate 0.4 gram per liter. So this is all about the major pest that is okra shoot and fruit borer. Then second pest is fruit borer. So this is the larva of fruit borer and adult moth of the fruit borer. So the scientific name of fruit borer is Helicoverpa armigera, and it belongs to family Noctuidae and order is Lepidoptera. And about life cycle, the life cycle of this pest can be completed in about 30 days in a warm condition, and the oviposition or the site of egg laying. The eggs laid singly on the tender plant tissue, and the pupation takes place inside the soil or other plant parts. And host plant, these are the polyphagous pests, feed on the also chickpea, then red gram. Then next point is nature of damage. On hatching, the young larvae feed on the tender foliage. Then full grown larvae attack the fruits, and they bore the circular holes and thrust only a part of their body inside the fruits and eat the inner contents. So this is the characteristics damaging or habit of the larva of Helicoverpa. The anterior portion of the body is inside the fruit and the posterior portion remaining outside the fruit. And if the fruit is bigger in size, it is only partly damaged by the caterpillar, but later it is invariably invaded by the fungi and bacteria and spoil completely. The larvae move from one fruit to another, and a single caterpillar may damage and destroy the 2 to 8 fruits. So these are the three different life stages, that is larva, pupa and adult of the okra fruit borer. Then next point is management practices. Firstly, plowing the field after harvesting of the crop, then hand picking of caterpillars. Then we can also spray with the microbial biopesticide like Helicoverpa armigera nuclear polyhedrosis virus at the rate of 250 larval equivalent per hectare, and prepare the stock solution of 250 larval equivalent and add it in a 500 liters of water and spray for the 1 hectare area. Then also spraying with the 5% neem seed kernel extract. Then in chemical control we can use the insecticide like quinolphos. Then also dusting with the quinolphos 1.5D. Then use of pheromone traps with the helilure for at the rate of 5 per hectare. Then third pest of the okra is Josids, or also called as the leaf hopper, and the scientific name of this pest is Amarasca bigotula. It belongs to family Josidae and order is Hemiptera. This is the sucking pest of okra. The nature of damage, both neems and adult suck the cell sap from the lower surface of the leaf, and as a result of feeding or sucking the cell sap, infested leaves start yellowing from the margin, and in case of severe attack all the leaves become yellow and eventually fall off from the plants. Then management practices: spray with any systemic insecticide like 0.03% dimethoid, control the pest effectively. Then next sucking pest of the okra is okra aphids, and the two species of the aphids which is attacks on the okra, that is Apis gossypi and second one is Myzus persicii. Both species belongs to family Aphididae and order is Hemiptera, and when the pest belongs to order Hemiptera and then damaging stage is always neems and adults. Then about nature of damage, the neems and adult suck the cell sap. As a result, the affected leaves turn yellow, get a wrinkle and distorted. The aphids also exude honeydews on which a fungus develops and rapidly covers the plant with the sooty mold that interferes with the photosynthetic activity of the plant, and the growth of the plant is stunted and the yield is adversely affected. Besides, they transmit the various virus diseases such as the leaf curl, mosaic and venal necrosis and cause the severe losses. Then management practices: spray with the 0.03% dimethoid, control the pest effectively. Then next sucking pest is whitefly of okra, that is Bemisia tabaci or Bemisia argentifoli. It belongs to family Aleuridae and order is Hemiptera. The nature of damage, neems and adults suck the cell sap from the lower surface of the leaf, and as a result of feeding or sucking the cell sap, chlorotic spots appear on the leaves, also yellowing of the leaves, then downward curling and drying of the leaves, and transmit the virus disease in many crops, or also transmit or whitefly transmit the yellow vein mosaic disease in a okra. Then management practices: spray the crop with 0.1% methyl dimeton or 0.05% trizophos or dimethoid. Then next sucking pest is red spider mite, that is Tetranicus species. And how to identify the pest? Firstly, the eggs. The eggs are hyaline, globular, laid in a masses, means in a cluster. Then neems are yellowish in color and adults are red color and small in size. The nature of damage: affected leaves become a reddish brown and bronzy, and severe infestation, larval silken webbing on the leaves wither and dry. Flower and fruit formation is also affected. Then management: spray with the wettable sulfur 50 Wp 2 gram per liter, or also we can use the dicofol 18.5 EC 2.5 ml per liter. Then next pest of the okra is okra leaf miner, that is Liriomyza trifoli, and it belongs to family Agromyzidae and order is Diptera. and the host plant are tobacco, potato and tomato. And in image we can see the three different life stages of leaf miner, that is larva, then pupa and adult leaf miner. So this is the life cycle: egg, larva, pupa and adult fly. Then life history: the eggs laid singly in a small incision in the leaf with ovipositor, and pupation takes place in a soil or also in a leaf mines. Then nature of damage: the damaging stage is maggots. So maggots feed in between two layers of a leaf on a mesopyle, making a narrow serpentine mine that appears whitish when seen from the upper surface and ultimately causing the blotches and holes. So in the image we can see the damaging symptoms on the leaves, that is whitish patches or chlorotic patches appears on the leaves. Then management practices: monitoring and presence of flies by yellow sticky traps, and spray the crop with neem seed kernel extract 5%, or also we can use the insecticide like cypermethrin 0.01%. So these are all about the different major as well as minor pest of the okra. Thank you.